It has officially been 8 months since I flew out and got myself my first hair transplant in Turkey. Let's talk about how it looks so far, where I'm going, and how I'm feeling. Side note, I'm still getting over the flu. That's why I sound awful, and I haven't posted in like a week, but I'm back, slowly but surely. Anyway, after about 2 months after my hair transplant, my hair looked like this. I was a fully bald man. And then after about 3 months, it looked like this. And then after 4 months, it looked like this. After 5 months, it looked like this. After 6 months, it looked like this. At the 7-month mark, it looked like this. It was finally starting to pop a little bit. And now at 8 months, it looks like this. I'm feeling really good. It's really coming in. Remember, I'm getting my second transplant to finish the job in just a few months at this point. It's March. I'm getting it in May. We're like 2.5 months away. With my second transplant, I am happy to announce I will also be getting the stem cell treatment with that, so the results should come in amazing. Remember, it has been the plan since day one to get 2 transplants. It's not like I got my first one, my results weren't great, so I need my second. It was always going to be I needed 2. The first one was really to lay that foundation. The second one is going to fully finish the job, and I can't wait. Also, I'm going through like a very mini shedding phase right now from PRP because I got PRP this previous month. In my recent video where I talked about it, I got a few comments saying PRP does not cause shedding. It's really as easy as a Google search, buddy. Yes, it does. It does cause shedding. Unfortunately, that is the sad truth. So, yeah, refrain from commenting unless you know your stuff. Sorry, I literally, right before I opened this video, I opened my phone and saw a bunch of comments on my last video of people that just knew absolutely nothing about what they're talking about, and it just annoyed me right before I filmed this. Anyway, positivity. But yeah, I feel great. This is the best my hair has looked in a while. I need a fresh fade. I'm going to Punta Cana in 2 weeks for spring break, so I think I'm just waiting until right before I leave to get a nice haircut. I need a nice fade right now, but I'm really excited to like be on spring break and have hair on the top of my head. It's actually kind of crazy. Remember, I used to be fully bald way before I started this stuff, so I'm very happy with the results so far. It's obviously not the thickest in the world yet or anything like that, but it's as expected. And I'm happy. I really am happy. My donor area looks untouched. You can't even tell anything's missing. Remember, if it looks a little like light, that's always how my hair texture has always been. I know from previous years, you can literally not tell that there is a single strand of hair missing from any part of my head besides, you know, it being light on top, which it always has been. And that second transplant will finish that job. And when I use an AI app to like really tell what my balding is at, it says right now, I am on the way to greatness, because I literally was fully bald at one point. So for me to be all the way down to stage 3 right now, which honestly, it might even be better than that at this point, because I took that clip of me figuring out what my hair was at about 2 weeks ago, and my shedding was really bad from the PRP. But yeah, so we're looking good. We're looking good. And remember, this is not the work of just a transplant. I've been doing my hair routine every single day for a long time now. Finasteride, minoxidil, derma rolling, and a nice little oil mix. It's all very important and essential, especially someone like me who came back from nothing, who was fully bald. In order to actually get my hair back, I needed to also be on a very good hair routine and narrow it down to the correct products. All my other socials and everything I use is linked in my bio. If you guys want to DM me or get in contact with me, you can go to my Insta or something like that. It's in the bio. Love you guys so much. Have a phenomenal day. And I'm excited to be making videos regularly again, because I have been down for the count, so sick for a good minute now. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.